Hi, I'm Jennifer Chiongbian with Rutenberg Realty. I'm Senior Vice President and Associate Broker in our Manhattan branch, and I'm also a part-time working appraiser. I've been in this business about 10 years now. So here is our general question for today, which was, what real estate expenses are tax deductible? There's actually quite a litany of items you can deduct. I highly suggest that you speak with your accountant, and typically they have a specific list of items that you can deduct. But just off the top of my head, it would be typical business items such as a computer, a fax machine, a cell phone, printers, that kind of thing. Those you can totally deduct and put them under office equipment. You can also deduct gifts up to, I think it's $20 or $25. Let's just say you go into an open house and you want to, buy some candles, maybe buy some cookies for potential buyers that come in to visit, some flowers. All those items are all tax deductible. Your lunch. Most of the time we are out on the road showing property, jumping from one place to the other. So that is typically a working lunch for us. So you can also deduct that. Don't forget your dues and your fees. Those are going to be big ones. We're talking your licensing fees, your board fees, association fees, and your advertising. The advertising is 100% deductible. That's going to be one of your major costs in doing real estate. Transportation is also tax deductible up to a certain point. If you're out in the suburbs and you drive, then what you want to do is log your mileage of, okay, you were at 1,000 miles today and you're leaving to go and show property, so you log that entire route, when you were showing. So that's also tax deductible. I can't remember, it might be 30 cents a mile. Again, speak with your accountant on this stuff, and he will always have some sort of list that he can give you to use as your guidelines. And if you have a home office, you can actually, declare part of the tax deduction from either your mortgage or your rent, but it has to be in a separate area. Ask your accountant about that again. Education, another big one. As a real estate broker, you will be having to do a lot of continuing education. And I know all that stuff is tax deductible, as well as your books and stuff like that. When you go to networking events, a portion of that is also tax deductible. Thank you for joining us today again. I'm Jennifer with Rutenberg Realty, and I look forward to seeing you next time. And I hope you enjoyed our video on what expenses are tax deductible for real estate agents. Take care.